Top 5 most AI-proof jobs in 2026. Let's get into it. So basically the jobs that require physical or emotional labor will be the most resilient. So things that require work with hands, robots are going to take a minute to get there. Things that require human empathy, the human touch, obviously robots will never get there. So coming in at number 1, skilled trades. So this is no surprise. We're talking about electricians, roofers, plumbers, jobs that require physical labor. I will say the back office is likely to be automated with AI. Things like calling, scheduling, estimates, billing, back office, all of that will likely be displaced. I do think blue collar jobs will become more competitive because as people get displaced from other jobs, they will enter the skilled trades. That may drive the price down and the quality up, right? It'll be more competitive over there. Coming in at numero dos, we've got nurse.
I will say though, and Junior, you can help me out with this because I don't know for sure, but from what I have seen, in the trades area for smaller, maybe handyman type, maybe, you know, like people who do like a bathroom redesign, they might do tiling and flooring and stuff like that. They might do kitchens. If they're not like a big company and they just do, they'll come and they'll do the job at your house and stuff like that. If they even have like a company or LLC, it's mainly almost a sole proprietorship, and they might have one employee, it might be like a family business. They might be the only one they answer, like their phone is ringing off the hook, so they have to answer and stuff like that. So a lot of times in those situations, they don't necessarily have a big overhead, and they might be missing calls. They might be kind of like semi unprofessional. And I think in what she's saying, the tools of like these AI tools, these AI agents that can help answer phones, that can help schedule appointments, all these different things is going to play a significant role in helping these small businesses become a lot more efficient. Have you ever called a company, or you know what? Even worse. Have you ever called a what do you call it? Like a restaurant. You ever call a restaurant and either the phone, they never answer the phone, or it's busy. Or it goes to voicemail. I don't like that. And I think if they start adopting these AI tools, it makes things become more available, services become more available to them that was never available to them in the first place because they couldn't afford it. So I see a lot of opportunity for these small businesses. And I think she said something about like there is going to be more people going towards those fields. And it's so then it has the capability of driving costs down. And I think that's awesome. I think putting more people in the field drives costs down, which if it drives costs down, then it should also drive affordability down as well.
Nurses. And not just nurses, but physical therapists, many doctors. This also requires work with your hands, and it also requires human empathy, right? Because you are connecting with your patients,
I don't know. Some of the nurses that I've seen, they have the least amount of empathy that I have ever seen. I don't know about you guys.
providing care. So nurses, especially, very resilient. Number 3, teachers. I love teachers. I actually have a nonprofit. All the money goes straight to teacher bonuses. We exist to pay teachers more so they feel appreciated. It's called.
I disagree with this one. I do not believe that teachers are a AI proof job, because we have reviewed the what is the name of that? What is the name of that AI school? Alpha schools, I believe they're called. Yeah, alpha schools. They're expensive. They're expensive as hell right now. But I do think that the prices will only drive down more and more. I'm telling you, the other day, we're about to go to sleep, and my son, he wanted to create a song, and he told me he wanted to create a song about triceratops, and he told me what he wanted the song to be about. And I put it into using my phone. I put it into Gemini to create the lyrics and the style. Put it into the create, like the AI music creator software, the app. And now he absolutely loves his song, and it's gonna be his walk up song for T-Ball. So, and I see like he has these apps to learn how to read. He's not even 4 years old yet. All these different things, and I'm like, now, once you start to mix in the AI with it to get to their learning style, I don't know if teachers are going to be as safe as she thinks they're going to be. Let's keep watching this. Did I just go back to the beginning?
Top 5 most AI-proof spot physical therapists, mini doc. It's called the Educator Fund. You can find more information and you can donate, be a part of the change. theeducatorfund.org. Teachers, obviously, especially K through 12, kindergarten through 12th grade, and early childhood education, because a lot of teaching is social and emotional development. It's not just learn things, pack your brain, memorize. It will be less about memorizing facts because we have AI. It'll be more about learning critical thinking, learning relationships, social, emotion regulation skills, and those things really do require the human touch. Coming in at number 4, construction management. So construction workers would fit up here with skilled trades. Construction management, though, is like a little bit white collar in the management element, but still requires a lot of hands-on human leadership skills because you're on the ground managing lots of people and also navigating things like weather. Can you guys hear the sirens when they go by? All right, coming in at number 5, counselors, therapists, psychologists. This one may be a little bit surprising because AI does a pretty good job at analyzing issues and also giving you feedback, right? Active listening. But at the end of the day, when it comes to real healing or when people are in crisis, they want other people. They want that eye contact. They want that nurturance, that empathy, because that's part of the healing. Are there any jobs I forgot? What would you guys add to this list? And next up on the list,
I think her list is pretty good. The construction management one, that's pretty interesting because you do, like, I've never personally worked in construction, but I know people who have. I've seen it, and you do need that, like, that foreman, and to keep things organized. They can. So I think that the actual person on site will be using AI to manage a lot of that work, but you do need a person in there. Teachers, I'm kind of I don't know about the teachers part. I think there's going to be a reduction because teachers are always complaining again, anyways, and especially if you have a bad teacher, they can get gone very easily. The nurses one, you do need human nurses, but we reviewed a while back how I think they're using AI nurses or remote nurses and I think they were like getting nurses from the Philippines who, when as soon as the patient pages a nurse, you might be waiting an hour for a human nurse to show up. But if they have the remote nurses, they can show up on the screen like, hey, what do you want? How can I help you? You know?
Is the top 5 most at-risk jobs due to AI displacement. You can find that one on my page. Top 5 most AI.
All right, so that's our take on the top 5 AI-proof jobs. I agree, and I think from all of these positions that she listed, every one of those positions are going to be leveraging AI to be more efficient, but you still need a plumber to come and do the plumbing work. You still need an electrician to do the electrical work. You still need an HVAC person to come and put install the AC and the heating and all that good stuff, the wiring for the AC. You still need construction people to be, and all these tools can leverage AI, but you still need humans in the loop to do all of this work. So I agree, those jobs are safe. The nurse is, I would say let's say 70% safe for the nurse. For the teachers, I would give the teachers a good 40% safe. I'm gonna give them a 40%. I have to give them a good old 40% safe. Construction manager, a good 90, 95%, because you need the people on site to be managing the actual workers and the the liabilities and all that type of stuff. And what was the last one she said? Therapists and stuff like that. That was one of them. Yeah, you do. You do need the therapist, the counselors and stuff like that, because as we can see on these mean YouTube streets, all of them need some type of counselor or therapy. It's what it is. It is what it is. All right. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What other job would you say is AI proof? That AI cannot take that job away? And do you think that more people are going to be flooding? Yes, flooding to the trades. Are going to have an influx of electricians, plumbers, HVAC, and a lot of those things too. You need to be in a union to do them. But with the rise in data centers, the rise of AI, you're going to need plumbers, you're going to need electricians, you're going to need construction people, you're going to need all of these things. So get ready. All right.
They see the wins, but they don't see the work. They don't see the pioneer digging in the dirt, digging to the core. This that 305 hustle, baby. Let's ride. They call me pioneer, I'm digging to the core. You just want to shine, I'm the one who found the ore. I'm a one-man wrecking crew, I open tune. Knocking down these milestones one by noon. I'm a ultimate team player, but I lead the tech. Put the whole damn city, put the team up on my back. Yeah, I run the new stack, building on the mainframe. This that tech coach hustle, building up the brain. I don't back down, I just double up the work. When they shut the door, I find another quirk. In the system, in the market, man, I'm always on. One-man army from the dusk, come to the dawn. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One-man army, but I move like a boss. Never backing down, I just pay the cost. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One-man army, but I move like a boss. Yeah, I run this game, I just pay the cost. This ain't your rap talk, this is my real life. Built a new foundation, cutting through the strife. Got the new tech running, stacking up the data. Got the AI working heavy, I'm the new creator. I'm a boss to my team, the new recruits. Show them how to win, how to get the loot. From the live stream to the brand new platform. I'm the one they call when they in a damn storm. I'm a pioneer, man, in that digital stack. Got the new school models running in the back. I don't just chase the goals, man, I hunt them down. This a one-man conquest, hand me the crown. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One-man army, but I move like a boss. Never backing down, I just pay the cost. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One-man army, but I move like a boss. Yeah, I run this game, I just pay the cost. It's deeper than the money, this is for the bloodline. Gotta make them see a hustler who's gonna always shine. Make sure that the legacy is set in stone. Show them how to build a whole damn world all on their own. This that on the map mindset, on the track. Like a grandmaster planning the attack. I'm the ultimate team player cause I build a whole team. I'm the one-man army that supply the whole dream. From the new speech to the coaching plan. I'm putting my whole soul into the master plan. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One-man army but I move like a boss. Never backing down, I just pay the cost. This that pioneer flow, digging in the deep. Maximize potential while they fast asleep. One-man army, but I move like a boss. One man dynasty. With the whole team meeting. It's that pioneer flow. Maximize everything.